Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with another April niche ideas video, and we've already done Unicorn Day, we've done Cinco de Mayo, we've done the t-shirt design, and we have done the interior. So what we have left is a journal cover, and we are going to go over to our handy dandy wheel. But again, if you are new here, I am doing monthly niche ideas, and we're going to explore them and we're going to create them in Canva. So that is what we're doing today. And I'm going to go over to my wheel. Of course, we already did the other two, and what's left is peanut butter jelly day. Okay, so we're going to do a cover for peanut butter jelly day. I'm going to go over to create my custom interior, and I always do 12.55 by 9.25. Oh, let me add that in inches. Oopsie daisy. Because that's a 6x9 with 120 pages. One of my very popular trim sizes that I like to use. Of course, you can always do more and get the correct size cover for your journal. This is just one that I love, okay? So, peanut butter jelly day. What is it even about? So, let's see. See what we find when we do peanut butter jelly day. Are people just doing sandwiches? Jelly day. Oh, I forgot to put the butter. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Whatever it's spelled, say peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Whatever it's spelled now. Where he at? Okay, all right. Starting off. I just want y'all to laugh. Like, don't only come here to learn. Come here to laugh. Come here to lighten up. And people are so serious. So it's just like peanut butter jelly day. So let's see what I can come up with. Let's see what we have in our elements. Let's see if we got any peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Ooh, it's a sandwich. Okay, so we have, oh, how cute is this? Peanut butter jelly. Okay, have a sandwich here. We got the peanut butter and we got the jelly. Ooh, I got an idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the back of this black. I wonder why that jelly on that bread. Okay, ooh, good. They have another one. So I was like, why that jelly look like that on that bread? So even though they're like shaped like pizzas at this point, just turn them around. Turn this one around so they're standing up. I'm gonna flip this that way. I don't think that's how I wanted to flip it. Okay, like that. So they're kind of looking at each other. So what I want to do is I want to add some eyeballs on here. So they have some googly eyes. Ooh, those are perfect. Because you know jelly is a girl. So there's some jelly eyes. And let's see. Oh, and there go peanut butter. He like, girl, what you looking at me like that for? It's like, peanut butter looking like, what did I do? It wasn't me. In his shaggy voice. It wasn't me. I'm going to put the eyes on. Should I give them some legs? Let's see. Ooh, should I give Jelly some fancy legs? Because Jelly could be out here doing the thing. Let's see. Position that to the back. Okay. Ow, look at Jelly. Let's see what peanut butter got on the jeans. Let's flip that. See what peanut butter got going on. Peanut butter like, Jelly, you ain't finna outdo me. Ooh, look at that. So cute. So let's see, is there any peanut butter jelly quotes or love quotes, like any funny things that I can say. It's peanut butter jelly time. You are the peanut butter to my jelly sandwich. Oh, we belong together. Boom. Simple. We belong together. We belong together. Gonna ungroup that. Take that. Pull this over here because I want to group this so I can change the size to whatever I want. Let me go get my handy dandy line so I know that this lines up evenly. Change the color on that. I'm going to turn that upright to 90 degrees and make sure it's in the middle. Going to bring our we belong together over. Then going to bring Mr. Peanut Butter and Jelly down. Open them up a little bit. And there we have it. This can also be a really cute birthday card. I'm just putting that out there, okay? Because it could be a really cute birthday card. So I really like this. We belong together. So we have a peanut butter and jelly day card. How dope is this? We gave them some eyes and some legs. Ooh, so cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Super quick but super cute. Came out with a nice little idea. And you can add more stuff, like you can add the arms, you can add nose, lips, or whatever. All you have to do is search all those elements in Canva. So I'm going to type in arms and you can see you can add arms. They have a variety of different types here. So that's available. But keep it simple, very cute, very unique. And I hope you guys enjoyed this April niche ideas, and I hope some of them help you to create in your business. Okay, so and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.